How to stop an outgoing message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Now, open any chat from here. Go to the text bar below and type in any message. Then, tap on the arrow button to send it. Now, if you want to unsend this message, then tap and hold the message. Then, select Undo Send from the options. You have now successfully unsent this message. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily stop an outgoing message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.